Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to change the cabin air filter in your Subaru Legacy 2015 till 2019, and the same instructions also will apply to a Subaru Outback. So this is a filter that I got from Amazon. I'm gonna leave a link for this filter in the description. So the code of the filter is CP285. The first thing you need to do is to open your glove box and of course empty your glove box, and then on the right of the glove box you have this latch here. You need to remove it, so just pull it to the outside like this. It will be removed. And then on the top of the glove box you need to push to the inside and then pull it also at the same time, and do this for the left side also, and the glove box will be removed. So this is the housing of the filter. It has two pins, one on the top, one on the bottom, on both sides. You need to push the pins inside like this from each side and then pull them out, and this is the cover removed, and this is the old air filter. Just pull it out. So let's put the new one. The airflow in the Subaru Legacy and Outback is from top to bottom. So you see this arrow here on the filter, it should be pointing downwards. So put it like this with the arrow pointing downwards, and then put back the cover, and the cover has a label here up, so put it like this and just push it in. It goes in place. And now you need to put back the glove box cover. So you see these pins here, they need to go in here. So let me zoom in so that you can see. So put the glove box here like this, and then close it only halfway, because we need to put the damper. So now it is closed halfway, and now we need to put back the damper here. So take the damper and then push it back in, and then everything is now assembled. So that was it on how to change the cabin air filter in your Subaru Legacy or Subaru Outback. I hope that you enjoyed this video and you found it useful. If you did, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. I want to thank you all for watching and see you in the next video.